Hello everyone, welcome sa ating YouTube channel and today we're gonna be doing an indoor vlogging kasi maulan na ngayon dito sa Baguio and we have this Frizzle Sizzle bulb succulent that we bought for only 700 pesos. Maliit lang siya but what's interesting about this plant is yung kanyang leaves will be curling like this sa pinaka end. So that's what makes this succulent unique. And aside from that one, it also has this parang long stalk of flower. Yung iba, nag-dry na, but some of its flowers are about to bloom. Ayan siya. And it also have this kind of vanilla scent and napakalakas ng amoy niya. Kung baga, hindi mo kailangang amuyin siya directly. By just passing through this plant, maamoy mo agad yung kanyang amoy. And also, itong succulent na ito has this parang bulb. Ayan siya. So, kakaiba talaga siya. It's my first time to take good care or have a succulent na may bulb siya. So, na-cover lang siya nung ating soil, but we will try to repot this later to see if ano nga ba yung itsura nung kanyang bulb sa loob. Sabi nung seller, pwede na daw nating i-separate yung isang bulb, but medyo natatakot pa ako, especially na wala pang tumubo doon sa bagong bulb. Kaya i-repot na lang muna natin siya. So I will be using yung ating pot na ito. Naglagay lang tayo ng pothole mesh sa ilalim na part. Then we will be having these pumice stones. Siguro parang 1 centimeter thick lang. Then directly we will be adding yung ating soil mix. So syempre ang gagamitin natin is yung ating Alnos Compost soil mix. I really hope na this would help na maging mas malago yung ating frizzle sizzle kasi nga sa ngayon parang ang payat ng dahon niya. But right now, syempre, maalaga na natin siyang mabuti kaya simulan natin with the right potting mix. So, ang gagawin lang natin is literally, we will be removing itong kanyang old pot and repot it directly maya-maya. Upon checking, makikita naman ninyo yung kanyang roots have reached yung pinaka-bottom na part. They look healthy naman. And so, tanggalin lang natin yung ibang old soil niya. We will try to expose yung bulb na meron itong succulent na ito. Finally, nakita na natin yung isang bulb. Ganyan pala yung kanyang itsura. And I don't know exactly what to do. Parang pwede na siyang i-separate talaga. But then, we will just leave it here. Kumbaga, dalawang bulbs na lang silang i-repot natin instead of separating itong bulb na ito. Although, sabi kasi nung seller na pag iwa-water daw natin itong succulent na ito, they won't really go sa dormancy stage. They will just continuously grow. Kaya yun yung gagawin natin. As you can see, I'm not covering yung pinaka-bulb mismo. I think it's better na naka-expose yung ating bulb and I did my research and okay naman. Mas maganda if may kita natin yung pinaka-bulb nitong succulent na ito instead of covering it. So, ayan na yung kanyang itsura after repotting and I'm looking forward na in the next coming weeks magkaroon ng new growth itong isang bulb na ito and we will just treat it like as with our other succulents na ididiligan natin siya pag completely dry na nga yung kanyang pinaka-soil for us to encourage yung growth ng leaves dito sa kanilang mga bulbs kasi if you won't be watering them and pag mainit ang panahon, they will go into this dormancy stage nga and that's something na ayokong mangyari. Gusto ko laging may dahon itong ating frizzle sizzle. So I added this tag na April 9, 2022. This is the time when we repotted itong frizzle sizzle succulent natin. And let's see kung gaano ba kabilis yung kanyang magiging progress. So yun na lang muna sa ngayon. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You may also visit our Facebook page, A Desert Succulent PH.